Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So guys, today I am going to introduce you to something called Nightbot. Okay, this is basically a bot that helps you respond to chats over YouTube or other streaming channels. Okay, now so this bot is something that is useful when start streaming basically pretty useful. So you can basically send auto responses to your users based on various keywords and other things. So this here is the home page of the bot. Okay, I have basically logged in into the website. I've already configured this as a starter. Okay, basically once you start off, you'll have to basically join the channel. I mean, you'll have to link this to the channel, and that is something that done via a button that is basically present over here on my mouse cursor. It shows us part channel right now, but initially it shows us join channel. You basically have to click it, and it will route you to a page, or it basically gives you a pop-up where you have to specify your YouTube channel link and also give it moderator access, and then it will change it into part channel. If you guys want a detailed video about it, you can let me know in the comments, or you can basically refer to any other video that is available on the channel on YouTube basically. So guys, what I want to focus on this video is purely something that is related to custom commands. Okay, so everybody, when you guys start streaming, you will need to respond to your users on the live chat, right? And if there is a bot that can do it for you, of course, it is a great thing, right? So this is basically that. So within the Nightbot, you have something called commands. Okay, so you can basically go to commands and then click on custom commands. This is a section where you will have all your commands that are pre-built. This is something that I've pre-built. We'll run through a demo right now for a basic one, and I'll give you some other hints as well on how you can configure this. Now, as the starting step, you will have to, go to the edit button, basic, or you can just, go to add commands. Edit would be something that you would do if you, already have a command that is, that you have added. So at this point, let's go with adding a new command. Okay, so the first thing after you click the add command button is a pop-up that will pop on your screen. And from here, on the pop-up, it will ask you a couple of things that you have to, set while, adding a command. Okay, so the command is basically a keyword where you can choose it from the comment that you get. Okay, so the most and the popular one that comes into mind is hi. Okay, so everybody says hi to you. So that is something that you can configure a response for. So in the command you will specify a keyword, and in the message the response for the keyword is something that you will configure. So in the response, you can say that welcome to our channel. Okay. So this is a basic example. Okay. And then you can configure which user can have access to this command. or who can call this command. That is something you can do by changing this user level settings. And there is also a cooldown for the response from the bot. You can basically configure it by moving the slider. I prefer it to be the least, but it depends on everybody. Uh, okay, and there is this alias. You can specify alias name to it. But what we want to majorly focus today is on creating a custom command for hi, and also fixing a bug, which I will explain it to you guys on a later stage. So this is basically how you create a command. Now you might have to specify the user's name somewhere. So there is something called dollar user uh, available on the channel, available on the command. Okay, so basically this will just get you guys the username of the user that has said hi to you. Okay, so this piece of code will just basically replace the user's name. Maybe XY, for example, XYZ has said hi to you. So this piece of code will just replace this name, and it will display as welcome XYZ to our channel. This is a basic example of how this command works. Uh, Let me submit this. Okay, let's create something for it. So uh, we have a new command over here for hi. Okay. Now, if you guys want to test it out, we can also do that. I have a open stream live setup for this. If I put in hi from here, I should soon get a response from the nightbot. It takes a couple of seconds. Let's wait for it. So guys, as you can see, this is the response from the nightbot. Okay, it specifies everything we had said, like welcome, game and glam is my YouTube channel's name to my channel. Okay, so this is just a demo about it. So this is how the command runs. Now, see, I'll let you guys know on bug over here. Okay, so now this is my channel. Okay, and I have implemented it to respond to some other user. But even when I say hi, it still responds to me saying that welcome game and glam to my channel. Now, so every time a user pings me saying hi, I reply back to him saying hi, and then this bot also pops up and tells me with that welcome to my channel, which does not look good as a creator. Okay, and even on your channel. So right now I'm going to give you something, from which you can fix this. I have been going through the internet from quite a while and I could, not find anything. I finally found something. And so I thought, maybe you guys can, easily do it instead of wasting hours on it, which I had wasted for, I mean, it took me around 2, 3 days to, figure this out. But yeah, it's a very simple thing. And, but not easily found. Okay. So moving on, I'll just show you guys how the command looks like. Okay. So if you are not aware about it, this command basically supports JavaScript. Okay, so you can put in JavaScript inside your command, just as I have put something for hello, which is already defined over my channel. You can say something for hi as well. Okay, using JavaScript, you can basically program it to function according to your needs. Now, for the demo purpose, let me edit this back again. Okay, so we are back to the user interface of the command. So now basically we are going to change this command into something else where we'll introduce some JavaScript into it and configure the bot to not respond to the owner of the channel. Okay, so I have typed the code in a notepad, so you can view this and I'll just explain it to you. Mm, you will have to have a basic understanding of JavaScript to understand this. If you don't have it also, it's not a big thing. Okay, you can just understand it directly from this code. So to run JavaScript on this command, there is something called eval that is required. Okay, this piece of code is something that is required, which wherein you can specify any JavaScript and it would run and get a response according to it. So in this piece of code, all we have done is basically said that we have defined a variable called r, okay, wherein we have taken the user's name, the person who is sending you hi, okay, and the second piece of code is where you are checking that if that username is your own user channel name, okay. So game and glam is my own channel name. You can replace it with anything else. Whatever your channel name is, and then all you have to do is you can either copy paste my entire code or you can you know type it in. So all you have to do is type the text that you want. I have written hi and then the username and then welcome to my channel and then please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so this is basically a text that I want to show the user. And now in the else part, uh, if I am the user, if I am the user who is sending the message, like if the message is sent through my channel, then the bot is not supposed to respond. Okay, so for that piece of code I have written else part over here, which has a blank space in between. Okay, so if you guys are on this video, you'll basically be thinking that this blank is something that is a that you have already tried, or maybe you must have not found it. But anyways, so this is a blank between both the single quotes. Now this is a special kind of blank, okay, which is not accepted basically by YouTube. So it will not post it back to your channel. So this basically stops it from stops basically it basically stops YouTube from responding to you. So basically even blocking the bot to respond on the channel. I'll share a link of this white space. You can find this white space on this website that I'm showing over here. Or you just have to copy this from here and paste it over to your code, and it will do the trick. Now, do the sorry. Uh, I'm just opening the notepad again. So you just have to do that, and then voila, your code is done. I can give you a demo on it. I'll just copy this whole command and paste it back into the pop-up. So it's you know, so that I can demo it to you guys. I press a submit. Now this thing is posted back to the server. I'll do a hi again on my channel that I've hosted on the live stream that I've hosted. Now in a couple of seconds you might expect the bot to respond, but then as we have already configured the bot to not respond to messages from game with lamb. uh, it will not respond to me. If any another user says hi, they'll get a message from the code that we have built. So it will give this entire message to the user. I think so. This is something that I wanted to show you guys. This is a very basic example, but of course, everybody begins with this. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I could not find anything on this over the internet, and I was struggling. So hope it eases your time out. Okay. On research and other stuff. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. It'll be very helpful for us. Yes. And I think yep, that's it from my end. Have a good day.